Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine tutorial. I am AB AKASH. Today I am showing you how to make a first person camera in Unreal Engine. There was a third person camera in default in our engine, and now we are making a first person camera. So let's go. First of all, we have to go our project settings, and there was an option here called input. We will just add a action mapping, and we name it change camera. Change cam. Okay, and now we just select a button. I'm select the Q button. Okay, so we're adding the action mapping here, and now we customize our character. We add the first person camera. First of all, we go to our player viewport. Here is the option called camera. Okay, and also a arrow and a spring arms. Okay, so this is our third person camera here. Now we are adding our first person camera, so just we name it third person cam. Okay, this is our third person cam, and now we are also add a camera here, just camera, not cine camera, and here we rename it first person camera. Okay, okay, so we have to place it to our head. So there was an option called parent socket. We search, sorry, first of all we have to select the cam, and then we have option called parent socket. I think I am mistaking something. uh, just delete the camera. What I mistake, I have to select the body. Okay, and then add the cam. So because this is a meta human, in meta human you have to select the body. In the third person DP third person character, in our default player, we don't have to select the body. So now we just rename it first person cam. Okay, now here is a parent option. Here we just select head. Okay, and now we can see our camera is parent with the head, so we have to place it to its right place. So how can we place it? Just drag and create it to the right direction. Okay, okay, I think it will be good. uh, just fast forwarding. Okay, so this is the place you can adjust your own. Okay, so now we are placing our first person cam here. Now just compile, and now we are going to our event graph. We take a blend space and just search what the input action we add in the project setting. Just search change cam. I mistake. Change cam. Okay. So here is our input action, and when we press the Q, we select the Q key. Uh, the action will be uh, beginning. Okay. So we have just use a flip flop here, and I using the flip flop because when we press Q, there will be a option, and when we another press Q, another time we press the Q, then another option will be appear. So how can we do it? Just so here we have option to our first person camera, and we just drag and search set active. Okay, so here is our set active, and also copy it and this, and this is first person camera, and we select this is to third person camera. Okay, so where is our third person camera? Okay, so when we press Q, the third person camera will active and third person camera will disable, and when another time we press, so we need to just copy the same function here, Ctrl D, and when we press P second time, the first person camera will be disable, and third person camera will be active. Okay, and also we need to do another things. Go to the first person camera option details, and here we just search auto active. This is disable, this untick it. Yeah. And also search pawn rotation. Use pawn control rotation. Compile. Now let's check it. When you press the button Q, our first person camera will appear, and we can move it by our control, and when you press Q again, our third person camera will active again. So thus you can make your own first person camera. Thank you for watching the full video. Please subscribe and support me. Thank you very much.